Embarking on an interior design journey in Hilton Head Island? Start by pinpointing your style, budget, and timeline. Whether it's a full renovation or a decor refresh, knowing your needs is key to finding a designer who can bring your vision to life. Dive into the world of local designers. Browse their online portfolios and social media to gauge their aesthetic. Look for those with a flair for coastal elegance and a portfolio that resonates with your vision. Don't underestimate the power of word of mouth. Ask around for personal experiences and join community groups for insider tips on Hilton Head Island's best interior design talent. Narrow down your list and set up consultations. These initial meetings are your chance to discuss your project and feel out the designer's approach. Remember, it's not just about their portfolio, but also how well they listen and understand your needs. Before you commit, scrutinize the contract. It should outline the project scope, timeline, and payment details. Clear contracts pave the way for a smooth design process. The design magic happens through collaboration. Stay engaged, share your thoughts, and trust your designer's expertise to shape a space that's uniquely yours. As the project wraps up, review every detail with your designer. Ensure the space meets your expectations and enjoy the transformation of your Hilton Head Island home. Ready to start your interior design adventure? Contact Bella Coze Home at 843-603-7434 and schedule your consultation today.